Hi all, welcome back to Advanced Technical Learning channel. In this video, you are going to learn about date and time functions. So what is date and time functions? Date and time functions are inbuilt formulas that allows you to perform various operations and calculations involving dates and times. These functions will help you to manipulate and calculate and format dates and times within your Excel spreadsheet. So let's see some commonly used date and time functions. Today, it returns the current date. Here is the syntax for today function and here is the shortcut for today's function. Now, it returns the current date and time. Here is the syntax for now function. This is the shortcut for current time. So let's apply these functions in Excel workbook. Equals to today and bracket close. It will show you the current date. So let's see with the shortcut key also. Press and hold Ctrl and semicolon. It will also show you the current date. So let's see current time. Press and hold Ctrl, then hold Shift and colon. It will show you the current time. So let's see now function. Equals to now bracket close. Here you will see hash hash hash. It means that all complete value is not coming in this cell width. You have to increase cell width. For that you have to double click in between the column letters. It will show you the complete current date and time. So let's see some more date and time function. Day. It will returns the day of the month from the date. Here is the syntax for the day function. Month. It will return the month from the date. Here is the syntax for the month. Year. It will return the year from the date. Here is the syntax for the year. Date. It will return the date, given year, month and day values. So let's apply these functions in Excel workbook. Equals to year. Select this date and enter. You will see the year from the date. So let's apply month function. Equals to month. Select date. You will see the month from the date. So let's see day. Equals to day. Select date. You will see the day of the month from the date. Suppose if you have day, month and year value separated and you want it combined, for that you have to apply date function. Equals to date. Select year, comma month, comma day and close bracket and enter. You will see the complete date combined in one cell. So let's see some more functions. Weekday. It will return the day of the week as a number. Here is the syntax for weekday. Week num. It is used to determine the week number of the given date based on the specified numbering system. Here is the syntax for the week num. So let's apply these functions on Excel workbook and see what will be the output. So let's apply weekday function. Equals to weekday. Select the date, comma. By default it will start from the Sunday to Saturday. Suppose if you want to start day from Monday, so we have to select 2 and bracket close and enter. It will show you the day number of the week. So let's find name of the day of the given date. For that we have to use text function. So before applying text function, let's understand what is text function. In Microsoft Excel, a text function is used to convert a value such as date, time, number and other data into a specific text format. This function allows you to customize how value is displayed by applying a desired format code. So here is the syntax for the text function. So let's perform text function in Excel workbook. Equals to text, select date value, comma. For finding day of the week, we will use double inverted comma, D and double inverted comma close, bracket close and enter. It will show you the day of the week. So let's apply weeknum function. Equals to weeknum, select date, comma, return type. It means from which day we have to start our week. Suppose we are starting our week from Monday. For that we have to select 2, bracket close and enter. So we got 47th week of the year of the selected date. So let's see some more functions. Network days. It will calculate the number of working days between two dates, excluding weekends and specified holidays. So here is the syntax for the network days. So let's apply network days function in Microsoft Excel workbook. I have written some dates, starting date, ending date and some holidays. So let's apply network days function. Equals to network days. Select start date, comma, end date, comma, select the range of holidays and bracket close and enter. It will show you the number of working days. We got 131 working days from these dates except holidays. So let's see time functions. Hour. It will return the hour from the date and time. Here is the syntax for the hour. Minute. It will return the minute from the date and time. Here is the syntax for the minute. Seconds. It will return the second from the date and time. Here is the syntax for the second function. Time function. It will return the time from the given hour, minute and seconds. Here is the syntax for the time function. So let's apply these time functions on Excel workbook. I have written time. So let's find hour from the given time. Equals to hour, select time, and let's find minute from the time. Equals to minute, select time and enter. You will get the minute from the time. So let's find second from the time. Equals to second, select time and enter. It will show you the second from the time. Suppose if you have hours, minutes and seconds separately and you want it to combine, for that you have to use time function. Equals to time, select hour, comma minute, comma second and enter. It will show you the combined time in one cell. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.